welcome to Public Studio. In this video, we'll show you how to create Photoshoot images for your listings. To start, go on Dashboard and click on Catalog and click on Product Images. A section will appear. Here, remove the lock on the image. From the sidebar, click on Upload and upload your product image. Once the image is loaded, remove the background of the image by clicking on the three dots and click on Remove Background. Once the background is removed, resize the image and place it on a suitable area on the canvas. To create Photoshoot images, click on AI Studio and go on Product Photography. Here you have different options to choose from like Images, Assisted, Pre-written and Manual. In Images, you have to upload a background image of your liking and our AI will create you a Photoshoot image with a similar background in a single click. Click on Generate after adding image. Credits will be deducted for this action. Let the AI create the image. Once it loads, you can check your generated image. Now you can add text, shapes as per your choice. In the assisted option, you have to give command to AI where you have to add where do you want your product to be by adding your product on, surrounded by, and in the background. With these information, our AI will create you a Photoshoot grade image. Here you can see our image has been generated. If you aren't satisfied by the output, click on Generate again. Our AI will create you a fresh image again. Now we'll be creating images using pre-written commands. Follow the same steps as we done earlier and go to the pre-written option. Select the command from the drop-down menu which you feel is suitable for your product and click on Generate. Let the AI do its work. Once the image is loaded, you can save it by clicking on the save icon on the top right or can add text and icons from the sidebar. Lastly, we will use the manual option here. Follow the same steps as we have done earlier and go to the manual option and add your command like we have added. Product in a dim lighted room with reflection on the bottle and product on a barrel. Once you have provided your input, click on Generate and let the AI do its work. Your image has been generated as per your command, and you can see we have created 4 different varieties of image using the Public Studio Photoshoot AI tool. We hope you liked this video. Do follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you face any issue, contact our customer support. We are always there to help you.